Make sure you block both back wheels. We'll jack up the front here, put a jack stand underneath, put another jack stand here for safety. Have the truck jacked up. I'm going to do the bump stop. Got a new one here. This is Dorman 905-207. For this bump stop, there's a nut in there. Gonna have to reuse that, so try not to strip it. Gonna clean up all that rust and dirt out of there. It'd be a 15mm socket. Got that cleaned up there. Gonna put some spray on it. PB blaster again. Try that. Looks like I'm gonna have to use a special socket to get the nut off and have to find a new nut. Gonna use this 15mm nut and bolt remover. There's not much of that nut left on there. Try to just hammer that into place. Socket in there. There we go. This bump stop started spinning, so I have to jam that up with a bar. Just rip that right off of there. Nope. There's a metal plate in there jammed up against the shock. Yep, slipped off again. Got a ways to go there. I don't think any amount of this PB blaster is going to help this. Oh, now it's spinning in that metal plate I was using to jam it up. Try to cut this off. Get your angle grinder with zip disc. Cut it off in there, right on the bolt. Well, cut that off. We can pull the nut out of there. So you can see the old bump stop, probably the original, 21 years old. Now we have to clean up underneath, and there's a little hole there. We're gonna put this tab in that little hole. And we'll get this bump stop in here. This is the driver's side. Tab locks in there. Just gonna throw a lock washer on there. And actually, I'll put some Loctite on there. Should be good. And that's it for the bump stop. Do the other side too. Dorman bump stops. That's the old one.